So I'll do an easy and fast test that you can do at home to test your soil and check the pH of it, if it's alkaline or if it's acid. This is an important thing to know because knowing your soil pH will help you to manage it. For instance, right now I will apply sulfur to all my vegetable plants and fruits as well. It will help the plants to avoid fungus, and it will help, like the nitrate helps, this will help as well, the sulfur, to strengthen the roots and the foliage as well, and better fruits. However, it lowers the pH, so knowing my pH, I will know as well how it will affect it. You'll need a bit of water, regular water from the company, baking soda and vinegar. Now, let's put a bit of water here. Now, if I add a bit of baking soda here, that is alkaline, and a bit of vinegar, that is acid, you see the reaction. See these bubbles? Now let's add in a bit of water. We'll add baking soda. Which is alkaline, and if my soil is acid, it will react. This soil is from my potatoes, and it was purchased at the store, so it's supposed to be neutral. So you can see that there's no reaction here, no effervescence, and as there is no reaction, that means that it's not an acid soil. Now I will add again a bit of water, but this time I will add vinegar, which is acid. So if the soil reacts here, it means that it is alkaline. You can see again, there's no reaction here, so that means that this soil is not alkaline as well. This soil is with a pH neutral, which is what is supposed to be. Now let's see my soil from the fruit trees, which is different. It has a bit more of clay here. We can add a bit. And we'll do it with water again. A bit of water. A bit more of soil. Has a different texture. And we will do with the vinegar. And we can see that it reacts a bit, so it has some bubbles on it, and it means that it's slightly alkaline, which is what I expected because my region is slightly alkaline. Besides, this has a mix with the clay, the natural soil, that is this reddish one here with some different soil that I placed here for the grass that comes from the river. I purchased a long time ago, so it's kind of a mix. However, when the roots go deep, they will find more clay and less of this brownish one. So this is a good indication of that. Slightly alkaline. Now we'll do the test with the baking soda, so you will see no reaction. So we'll add the water, bit of soil, see the texture is very brownish. It's a different soil, it's a natural soil. Now I'll add a bit of baking soda, and as expected, there's no reaction. See? No bubbles at all.